Hello, good morning, students, or afternoon or evening. This is a quick math review. We're going to be going over solving for a variable. So, for instance, a lot of you are facing this in life with Fred. So you've got something like this. So this is distance equals rate times time. Pretty simple one that you'll encounter quite a lot of time. So you've got your d, which equals distance, not s. R, that's your rate. Your rate is just how fast something is happening. So 20 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per second, 15 cookies per minute. It's just how fast something is happening. And there's time. A measurement of how long, hours, minutes, seconds, days, years, centuries, millenniums, all of those things. So distance equals rate times time. In a question like this, to be able to solve this, you've got to be able to have two of the variables. The variables are the different things here. Are the different things that the letters represent. So D is a variable, R is a variable, and T is a variable. To be able to solve for these, you've got to know at least two. If you don't know at least two, you're toast. You can't solve for it. So, for example, if I tell you that, or actually, where's my eraser? Hold up. Okay, let's say that I tell you the rate is 5 miles per hour, and how long your time, how long you're doing it, is for 20 minutes. How far is the distance going to be? What's your distance? You don't know. So you look at D equals R times T. And you say, okay, I take my rate, I put it here. So that's 5. Take my time, I put it here. That's 20. 20 times 5 is 100. I've gone 100 miles. So you can do that for anything. It doesn't matter what the letters are. Let's say I have y equals x times z. Those are letters, right? I always need to know at least two of these to be able to solve for the third. So let's say y equals 5 and x equals 30, right? So I plug them in. So I now have 5 equals 30 times z. Okay, remember, and this is very, 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 very important to remember. Whenever you want to bring a number to the other side of the equal sign, you do the opposite function. So right here, it's being multiplied times z. What's the opposite of multiplication? Any answers? Division. That's right. Opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 30. Divide by 30. Anything over itself cancels out because anything over itself is 1. That's right. So watch, I'll take it kind of step by step. So let's say we have 30 over 30 times z, right? 30 over 30 equals 1. That's 1 times z, right? Anything times 1 is itself, so z times 1 is going to be z. And all z represents is some number. So z equals 5/30. Again, very simple, solving for a variable. If you have questions about this, let me know. We'll do a little bit of practice and go from there. Other than that, have a good day.